Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a padded bag handle. All you need are two pieces of fabric and two pieces of batting. The measurements are shown on the screen. Place the batting in the center of your fabric and fold under the edges as such and pin. We'll take this to our sewing machine and we'll sew along the open edge to close it. You can also sew all the way around your handle if you like, but I'm just going to sew the opening closed. If you're using a domestic sewing machine and you're having trouble sewing over the layers, you can use a walking foot if you have one. If not, I will place a link in the description and you can get one online. I'm using my regular all-purpose foot because it can handle the thickness that I'm working with at the moment. So this is what we've got. I've sewn the opening close. Next, we are going to fold this in half, matching the edges and pin. We're going to leave 2 inches unpinned on both ends of your handle. Then we're going to take this back to the sewing machine and sew close to the edge. Again, we're going to follow the stitch line that we just made. If you're receiving value from this little tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, you want to share with me or with the other viewers, you can do so in the comments section. And this is your completed handle. You can sew along the short edge if you like to hold it down. Make sure you trim it so that everything is even. I'm going to be adding these handles to a laptop bag, and you will be having a tutorial showing you how to make the laptop bag if you're interested.